All sealing profiles are delivered as corner vulcanized gaskets tailor-made for the individual segments. Segments and gaskets have to be kept dry and free from dust, grease or oil residue. The adhesive should be stored at a temperature between 59 degrees Fahrenheit and 95 degrees Fahrenheit. The adhesive has to be stirred constantly during installation. The adhesive pails have to be kept covered in order to avoid vaporizing of solvents and forming a skin on the surface. Some hours prior to installation, it is recommended to unpack and keep the gaskets in a position that the side lengths are straight and relaxed. Groove cleaning. The groove has to be dry and free from dust, grease or oil residue. Dust could be blown out of the groove with the air supply function of the spray gun. Applying of adhesive. The adhesive has to be applied with a spray gun which is specially designed to apply the Phoenix adhesive in the form of hairs. The spraying process should not take more than 5 minutes for one segment. It is important that the adhesive is evenly applied into the groove bottom and onto the side walls. The side walls are the main contact area for the bonding process. Gasket installation of the short side. 2 workers should start with placing the corners and short gasket sides into the groove simultaneously. The process should be started with the correct positioning of the corners and pressing the gaskets into the groove by hand. Gasket installation of the long side. The gasket should be placed into the groove by hand from the center towards the corners. Control of gasket corners. It is recommended controlling the correct fit of the gasket after placing the gasket into the groove. If the corners are not in the correct position, the gasket has to be adjusted to the correct fit. The position could be adjusted by pulling off the gaskets and replacing it in the correct position. Fixation of gasket frame. The gasket frame has to be fixed into the groove with a pneumatic pressing frame. The pressing frame should compress the gasket for at least 7 minutes. It's important that the pressure is applied equally over the entire gasket frame. The right pressure to be applied by the pressing frame depends on the size and weight of the sealing gasket. 5 bar is an average value for the recommended pressure. Control. After the installation of each gasket, the position of the corner should be controlled. The gasket corner should be in line with the segment corner. Also, the correct positioning of the complete gasket in the groove should be checked. After 3 days storage, the bonding will reach maximum strength.